Whenever we talk about productions of smartphones or electric vehicles, you might think of automatic production line like this. But have you ever thought about how exactly are these equipments in this production line being designed and produced? Hello everyone, this is Alex from Ikeda Automation. Today we're visiting one of our clients, which is Oriental Neostar Intelligent Equipment Company. They produce equipment that actually produce your smartphone and electric vehicle, as we saw on clips earlier. For example, your smartphone headphones, haptic engines, or your electric motors on your vehicles. They all might come from this very company. Now, today we're going to take a look around its factory, around its workshop, and its office to see how their equipments are designed, produced, and assembled. Now, let's go ahead and take a look inside their office building first.
Now that we're inside their design and procurement department, I have to keep my voice low because I don't want to disturb these brilliant and hardworking engineers here. This is where they design all the equipment and purchase their parts according to the design. And hopefully the purchase come to Ikeda, right? You might also notice there are a few seats here that are empty. That does not mean the engineers here are on vacation. On the contrary, they are on their client sites to help the client to adjust their equipment.
Hello everyone, now that we are standing at the workshop of Oriental Neostar Intelligent Equipment Company. And on the left side here is actually a whiteboard that writes all its working plans, which equipment are being produced and which phase of production is it at. And on the right side, you can see the exact equipment here being produced. It is actually a whole production line of an electric motor. But sadly, due to confidential requirement, I couldn't show you too much details of it. But I can show you some clips of it. Let's go ahead and take a look. Hello everyone, now that we are at the third floor of their workshop, and you can see here is also a lineup of their equipment. These equipment are also used for electric motor production, but this is for the first part in the motor, and those equipment on the first floor are used for the moving parts. All these equipments combined can produce a fully functional entire electric motors. Here around this workshop, this room caught my attention. This room is called the Visual Lab, and is used to test out all the visual parts of equipment. Just like we have eyes, so does the equipment. And the eyes of equipment is just the cameras. And this is a room used to test out how the cameras functions and how the program functions according to the camera.